Hello, I'm busy with Stories of Hope and I have William here with me, and he's going to tell you who he is, where he operates and what his dream is.
Hi everybody, I'm William Owen and I'm currently working in Iris Valley in the Ward 5 area, and my dream for Iris Valley is that we can hopefully fight unemployment. And unemployment, of course, is quite a vague topic, but we will try to fight the problem from every aspect possible. But at the current moment, we have an aftercare running here in the Ward 5 area, and we are dealing with grade 6 kids. That is the start of the program, and my dream that I would want to have one day is to have a sports academy where the kids would not only learn how to play sport but become better individuals in life, and they will hopefully have some sort of belief system, because I believe that most people don't believe in anything anymore. So that is also a core purpose that I have, that people can believe in something, and hopefully we can let everybody in Iris Valley believe. That is my end goal. So,
And tell me, what is the best part of what you're doing?
I think the best part of what I'm doing is just seeing the kids every day, and actually seeing them get better every day. You know, like especially being with the kids after a while, their behavior was a bit off, but after a while just seeing them listen, and when I do come, they are also excited to see me. So it also just brings some happiness into my heart, seeing that the kids are also developing in some sense, you know, that they're not staying stagnant. That they can actually see development. So that, I think that's the best part of the work I'm doing, is actually seeing development in the kids. Even the small things of them just being able to sit down when you tell them to sit, because in the communities that we live in, our kids don't necessarily have parents or don't have adults really guiding them or being proper role models in their lives. So seeing these disruptive kids become peaceful and necessary, these kids that weren't listening, starting to listen to instructions and things, that they become conditioned to actually behaving like normal people, we would say, because when you see them acting this way, they would think that they're not normal, most people would say, but they are actually quite normal kids. They are just not used to behaving in spaces because they were never taught this. So just the small things, seeing the kids listen, that actually just makes my day, from where we started until now.
So what is your biggest challenges at the moment?
I think our biggest challenges is funding, like every startup does have, and manpower. So we actually need a lot of assistance with the things that we're doing, because there's most times that like we usually transport the kids to certain places, and if Mr. Van Rooyen is not available, then we do not have any transport for the kids to get where they are. So hopefully some people just supporting us, and being present. If it's just even to, like, sometimes Mr. Van Rooyen makes the food himself that we provide for the kids after school, and he himself also buys the food. So if there was even just somebody to make the food for us, so that is more or less the thing that we're struggling with. And with the funding, like I said, that Mr. Van Rooyen is providing everything out of his pocket, and sometimes I do also help out where I can. So that is our two main problems at the current moment.
And how do you see the future if you get your way?
Hopefully the future would be that we would have programs running for each age group, and that they would become, like, our kids have this laziness in them, or I would even say is this passive. But my goal is that these kids would become proactive with the things that they want to do, and hopefully have like, it should be a multi-purpose center that we would hopefully be running, and helping kids, that they would be involved in an activity after school, and that they will be getting the proper help with their schoolwork, etc. And the kids can also understand that it's their lives that is at hand. Like, a lot of the kids around don't understand that they're actually playing with their own lives. So hopefully at the end of the day is that all these kids can realize that they have a purpose in this world. So that is the overall goal that we do have, is having from grade R to matric, and even adult programs that we'll be running, supporting these people to understand that they have a purpose in this world.
Wonderful. You're such an inspiration. Thank you for your hard work. And I hope that you find the right people that will support you and walk and journey with you. Wat druk ek nog weer?